How to do cold pitching as a virtual assistant and win high-paying clients. My name is Lydia Mong'are, a virtual assistant helping freelancers build profitable careers online. And today I'm here to show you exactly how to send cold emails that get responses without sounding pushy or desperate. But before that, hit that subscribe button or follow me. Save this for later. The first thing that you need to do when you're going to do cold pitching is to find the right people. If you don't find the right people or you don't know who you're going to send your cold email to, you're not going to get the responses. You're not just pitching anyone. You need to find people who actually might need your help. Think of coaches, speakers, small business owners. Basically, we are looking for busy people drowning in tasks. Where do you find these people who might need your help? Number one, go to LinkedIn. On the search bar, you can search for coaches, speakers, consultants. That is where they hang out. Check out what they post. Number two, Instagram. Check who is posting consistently but looks overwhelmed. Number three, go to Facebook groups. And if you haven't been using Facebook groups, this is a goldmine, trust me. Step two, send a message that doesn't suck. On this one, please don't send an essay. No one is reading that. Keep it short. Here's an example. You might send an email or a cold email and expect to get responses when you do it like this. Hi, I love what you do. I'm a social media manager. I help coaches, speakers, and small business owners grow their online presence, engage their audience, and turn followers into clients. Would you be open to a quick chat to see how I can help you? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. And then you sign out or you sign off with your name. One thing that is in that example that I just gave you is I didn't say I can work for you. When you're reaching out to potential clients, you don't beg, you offer value. Step three, follow up without being annoying. If they don't reply, chill, wait 2 to 3 days or 2 to 5 days and send a friendly email. I usually recommend you send after 2 days or at most 3 days so that you reach out when they are still warm and thinking about you. You can send an email like, hey, just checking in on my previous email that I sent to you about helping you with your internal admin, or mention the task that you mentioned in your previous email, and make sure to share the thread. Here is my previous thread for your quick reference. So you don't want them to go back and start searching for that specific email. Step four, show you are legit. You don't want people doubting you. If you've worked with someone before, share a testimonial. If not, show a quick before and after of your work. Proof makes people say yes faster. For example, if you're an editor, you can share a video after edited. If you're a graphic designer, you can share a graphic that someone sent to you to edit that wasn't edited, or a photo before and after. If you want my exact call pitch script, I have a system that I call the Get Hired VA system. It shows you the exact steps that you can follow to land high-paying clients. Drop that one in the comments and let's get the conversation going. Thank you. Talk to you soon.